Which instructional strategy is characterized by the teacher posing a question or problem and guiding students to arrive at the answer through exploration and critical thinking? Would this be letter A, discovery learning, letter B, expository learning or teaching, letter C, drill and practice, or letter D, recitation? What is our choice? Alright, tumpak na choice po natin dito is letter A, of course. That's discovery learning, no? The teacher is guiding students para makuha nila yung tumpak na sagot, no? So they are exploring, they are using critical thinking, discovery learning po yan. Expository teaching, we've talked about this last time, di ba? This is lecture method. Kasama na din po yung demonstration method, no? Direct teaching po yan, no? Direct instruction. That's your expository teaching, no? Didactic approach. Yan din po yung ating katawagan dyan. Drill and practice pa drills. Okay, mastery. And of course, you have recitation, no? Question and answer po ito. Okay, so discovery learning po ang ating tumpak na choice.